Salad haters, rejoice. I have the perfect salad for you. This Ambrosia salad is like dessert in a bowl, and it's so easy to make. A classic that you make in minutes. Hey everybody, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we are going to make a retro classic Ambrosia salad. It's not really a salad, it's more like a dessert fluff, if you're familiar with fluff. It has marshmallows and canned mandarin oranges and maraschino cherries, like everything a salad should not be, but we're gonna call it a salad because I don't like greens either. So to make your ambrosia, all you're going to need are some multicolored fruity marshmallows, some chopped pecans, canned mandarin oranges, but make sure you drain out all of the syrup or the juice, heavy cream, chopped maraschino cherries, some sour cream, vanilla, sweetened coconut, pineapple, and powdered sugar. So to start, we're just gonna make the dressing real quick. And for that, we're going to add our sugar to a bowl, and then the vanilla, and our heavy cream, and our sour cream. So we're just gonna mix this together. I like to use the whisk attachment on my mixer. If you don't have one, it's perfectly fine. We just want it blended and you want some soft peaks to form, like if you were making like a softer whipping cream. That's it. You just kind of want it to look like that. Like it'll hold up a little bit on its own, but it's not too stiff where it's gonna not fold in well and you're gonna lose some of that loft when you mix everything in. Now we're just gonna fold everything into this bowl with the salad dressing. Salad dressing. It's like sugar. And if you have a little juice left, you don't want to mix too much juice into this dressing because it'll just kind of deflate. So I'm just kind of pushing everything in so that any leftover juice is kind of like still in the bowl. It's okay if you get a little bit in there, but you don't want to like totally drain your fruit into this bowl. You can start folding your fruit in. And I actually love how it turns it pink. That's probably why I loved it as a kid. Now we're gonna add our sweetened coconut and our marshmallows and our nuts. Every salad should have marshmallows in it. And there you have it. I should have used a bigger bowl. I think I say it every time I make a recipe for you all. And if you can't find the fruity marshmallows, like the pastel colors, it's totally fine. You can use like the regular white marshmallows. You just won't have like this cute spring salad with all the colors in it. And that's it. That is your salad. So I'm just gonna put this in a little dessert dish and test it out. So I'm just gonna fix a little bowl of this for myself. Totally takes me back to like my grandmother's backyard for a potluck. I'm gonna dig in to my salad. It's actually better than I remember it. It is so fruity and sweet. It's definitely dessert that you can serve with your barbecue chicken. It is so good. If you like this recipe, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.